you want to airdrop your earnings from the X Empire game on Telegram and you don't know how you can connect it with Bybit. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Bybit to X Empire. To get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open the mini game on your Telegram account. So go ahead and open X Empire on your device. And in here, go ahead and click on the top right corner of your screen. Now this will summon the menu section at the top right corner of your screen. And here, go ahead and click on airdrop and this will redirect you into this section. So just go ahead and click on the connect wallet button to be able to view all of the wallet selections that you can choose from. So go ahead and click on Bybit wallet and this will redirect you to the Bybit app. Now make sure that you have set up your Web3 wallet on Bybit to be able to connect your X Empire account to your Bybit account. And here, go ahead and confirm this. In this section, go ahead and click on the connect button to confirm the connection between your X Empire account and your Bybit account. Now, once you have confirmed the connection between your X Empire account and your Bybit account, go ahead and head back to your X Empire account. And on your X Empire account, you'll be able to find the wallet address of your Bybit wallet under the connect wallet section. And that's how you can simply connect your Bybit to X Empire. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you in the next video.